Welcome to Aura.
Tonight, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna let loose.
Can you feel the love on a stranger's face? When my people dancing through time and space. Is our energy when we come down there? They say all we know is to jump and wave. It's in every creed and race. And the carnival is the holy grail.
I want to take this moment to thank you all, not just for the work you have done, but for the heart that you all put into it.
This party is about saying thank you. Thank you to our customers. Thank you to our staff. Thank you to everybody who made 2024 a resounding success.
I feel like a stay right here, living the man soul, yeah. I feel like a stay right here. Look how the mass are well. Everybody charge up, we going higher. Full of energy.
Who doesn't have a glow stick right now? I need everybody to have a glow stick right now.
Everybody charge up, we going higher. Full of energy. Energy.
Well, make some noise, everybody, boys, right now.
Look around, is all aware. Every hand up in the air. Tell the bad vibes not today. Love is the only energy. Love is the only energy.